Payment run. Schedule payment proposal. Log on to the SAP Fury Launchpad as an accounts payable accountant. Open Manage Automatic Payments app. Choose Manage Automatic Payments app. Run date. Create parameters. Run date, today's date. Identification P 0001. In single run date, in same run date, we can create multiple identifications. That means you can run this payment, automatic payments, n number of times in single day. You can run every day. We can run weekly. So based on our requirement, we can do. So I just want to give identification. The run date is 20th December. Identification P0001. Create. Basic section. Posting date, today's date. Documents entered up to. So this date is important. So up to whatever the date we give here, system will pick all the documents. Additional log on. Company code 1810. Next payment run. I will run the next payment tomorrow. Payment methods, I want to pay bank transfers. Okay, this payment method will be assigned in the business partner or invoice. Suppliers, right? You can give a list of suppliers. I want to make payment for supplier 183001. For the payment method field, verify that payment method is valid in the supplier master record. If it is necessary to post a down payment request, add pre-selection, then enter the following. So if you want to pay any special GL transactions, right, we select this and we can pay the advances. So execute a payment per single invoice to make the following entries in the open item selection by the populated selection fields. So that fields pre-selection nothing but document number. So if you want to pay advance for that particular supplier, you can pay through this one. And if you want to make payment particular document or a particular list of documents you want to make payment, we can pay. So I'm not giving anything. I want to get, for example, I just want to, so I will give for the sake of understanding. Document numbers will select. I just open one more tab. We'll see the list of documents. In the document section, I will find some documents. I will give them. Search supplier balances. Yeah, display supplier balances. In supplier balances, 18300001 and year 2024. Execute. Not this app. These are all the balances, right? If you want to see the balances, we can. I want to pay these two documents, for example. This document I want to pay. I gave the document number. Save the parameters. Once you save the parameters, choose a schedule. So schedule proposal. So system will propose list of invoices and so start immediately. Schedule. Choose. So proposal is running. So choose proposal processed tab. So wait for some time. So this is what details. So it is running payment proposal. So system is picked. So these are all the payment document system is generated and the payment document number. So it is not posted. The system has proposed the list of documents items right now. You can see these items. So previously we selected only this invoice. So what is the amount you are making? So 1,180 rupees. Right now we selected only one invoice. It is that invoice right now system created payment proposal. So go back. So previously it was their proposal. It was in process. Now proposal created. Revise payment proposal. Caution, make sure that there is no other payment run identification proposals pending to be executed, which might be using the same supplier as a proposal created in previous step. If payment proposals exist, they must be processed or deleted. Otherwise, no payment proposal is generated for your proposal. So one open item can be part of one payment proposal only, not multiple payment proposals. So log on to the SAP Fiori Launchpad as an accounts payable accountant. Open revise payment proposal. Revise payment proposal. So run date, right now based on the run date, you can search our payment proposals. Otherwise, if you remember your payment proposal, you can give straight away that proposal. Previously, I run 0001 P0001, and here who created this payment proposal? Okay, so this is my business user, so I can select it and go, click on go. So this is the payment proposal. If you want to revise, right? If you want to revise this payment proposal, we can revise. Choose. This is what choose details. In the payments tab, select the row to edit and choose edit payment. So this is what this is the select and edit payment. If you want to edit, you can edit. So in this case, in the change desired options and choose OK to continue. So if you want to change the payment method, if you want to give different payment method, you can give. And if you want to change house bank, if you want to change account in the house bank, right? These are the bank account details of the payee. So one payee can have multiple bank accounts. So you can, while making the payment, so we can choose a respective bank account of the payee. So these are all the different informations, right? If you want to modify, you can modify them. Okay. So then what you can modify them. Export to PDF. This is what export to PDF. So this is the payment list. So 1,180 is the amount, and this is the total amount where. If there are multiple invoices, and the multiple invoices will appear here. So the payment amount in local currency, this is the deduction amount in local currency. These are all the different informations. So run date and identification date, paying company code. These are all the different informations. and we can take this printout. If some payment is blocked, you can find them on the exceptions tab. You may unblock or reallocate and pay them by using the buttons in the view. So here exceptions right now, if you block any payment, so those exceptions will appear here. This is what the summary of the payment. So the payment method and number of payments right now in this payment run only, I selected only one supplier. If there are multiple suppliers, system will propose a number of payments in this case. Release payment proposal. Log on to the SAP Fiori Launchpad as an accounts payable accountant. Open Manage Automatic Payments app. Manage Automatic Payments app. So our payment identification is right. Run date is today's date, and my identification right now P0001. So who created, right, we can see and click on go. So here you can see the parameters created, proposals processed, payments processed. Only one proposal is there. Select the line of the previously created proposal and choose a schedule payment. So this is I'm selecting this. So this entire thing would be thick, little blue color. So then click on schedule payment. So start date and start immediately. So payment right now, the proposals right here, the proposals processed is 0. Now the payments processed is 1. Okay, so you can sort the information on payment method, country, region, and so on. Select the view display in the field below summary. So here, what is this? Just click on this. So the payment is running. So summary, these are all the payment method, right? Amounts by payment method, right? Amounts by country, region, right? Amounts by foreign currency, amount by bank account. So these are all the paid amounts, right? You can search by. So I want to search by the payment method. So this is the summary. So what are the payments happened, right? We can see the list of payments in this section. So on the payments tab, so just click on the desired, details. So items, right? You can see the payment document number. This is the document number. So what is the entry in the document number we see? So a newer version will check that document. That is payment document. So go back. Items. This is document. This is the invoice number, right? This is the invoice number. So these are all the items. If you want to take items right now, you can take. This is completed immediately. These are all the process steps happened. So the payment advice right now here we got some issues in the payment run. The email sections right now we got the errors. Why? Because email setup is required. Email, right? These are all the informations, and the payment advice is also printed. Go back. So if you want to take the PDF, you can take to the PDF, right? You can see. So these are all the payment. This is the payment document number. This is the invoice document number. So just click on this payment document number. We'll see document, what is the debit, what is the credit. So the supplier account would be a debit and the payment bank account is credit. So this is the bank transfer, right? So payable account is debit and bank transfer is credit. This is the document system posted. Mass reverse payment run under certain circumstances and only in exceptional situations, you may need to reverse a payment run. A mass reversal might be a necessary. For example, if you have executed a payment run by mistake or you entered an incorrect posting date for the payment run, you can only reverse payment documents in a payment run if we have not started any follow-on processes. The program prevents any reversal in the following cases. You have already created payment media or batch. System has already created entries in the payment register, check or check management. The payments are already undergoing the approval process of SAP Bank Communication Management BCM. So these are all the three things right now. We cannot reverse the payment proposal. Otherwise we can reverse the payment proposal. So I log on to the SAP Fair Launchpad as an accounts payable accountant, schedule accounts payable jobs. Choose create. So this is I will select template. My template is reverse payment run, reverse job name also reverse payment run. Step 2, start immediately. Select start immediately. Run date, today's date. I want to reverse just before I created P0001 test run. I selected a reason for reversal, a wrong posting. So check. So this means we can able to reverse means there is no payment medium. Yeah, this is failed. We'll see what is this. Navigate to the errors. The payment medium already been created. So that is why it is not allowing. So go back. So this is already created the payment medium. That is why it is not allowing. View payment list. Log on to the SAP Apiary Launchpad as an accounts payable accountant. Open display payment list. Display payment list. Program run date December 20th. Identification feature P0001. Select proposal run only. If we select this indicator to display data that comes from the payment proposal, not from the payment. If we don't select, that information will come from the payment. Note, additional fields are available for selection, enter or modify fields according to your requirement. Choose run. So these are all the different fields. Summarize data, paid documents, exceptions, display variant. So these are the different informations right there. So based on this information, we can take the report. Click on run. So this is the amount 1,000. Right now, payment amount is 1,180 rupees. This is the payment for the supplier. Right, in this payment proposal, only one document, one payment only happened. I mean, we selected only one document. So like this, we can see the list of payment list.